Hey crafty friends, this is Mary. You're watching Tuesdays with the Cricut Expression on Cardz TV. And if you're new here, I hope you'll take just a second and tap that subscribe button. And don't forget to ring that little bell so you'll be notified each time I post a new video. Now today we're going to make a card using the Cricut Expression, and we'll be using elegant edges. And this is a Cricut light cartridge called Live Simply. So let's get started on our card. We're going to start out with a white card base, and this is 4 1/4 by 5 1/2 inches when folded. And then I have a navy blue mat and a navy blue and white gingham mat, and these are scalloped. And I found that scalloped rectangle in the Elegant Edges cartridge on page 24. I cut the gingham oblong at 4 inches, and then I came down here and hit shadow and cut the shadow out of the navy blue. And I'm going to use some art glitter glue and get these two scallop rectangles adhered together, and then I'm going to put them on the front of my card. That is such a clean, crisp look. I love that. Now from the Live Simply cartridge, in the first column, the fourth cut down, is this ladybug on a little cluster of leaves, and I've cut this at 2 1/2 inches, and I cut the back of this out of black. And there that is. And then this next layer I cut out of a darker green. That's going to go on top of the black. The next layer is a lighter green, which goes on top of the dark green. And then this last layer is the red that goes on the ladybug. And I'm going to get all of this adhered together with some art glitter glue. It's going to be so cute, guys. Don't you love that? And then I'm going to pop this up on the front of my card. And I think that's going to be so sweet. So let's get this put together. Oh my goodness, isn't that cute? And it's so summery looking. I love that. Now for my sentiment, I cut a white banner, and I stamped it with Memento Tuxedo Black ink, and I used the Cardz TV Going Buggy stamp set and stamped Ladybug Hugs. I've got this on some foam tape, and we're going to get this on the front, and this is going to finish our quick but cute little card. I just love this little card. And you could use this for a birthday card, a get well card, a thinking of you card. So many ways to use it, and it's so quick and easy and so cute. So thanks so much for coming by today, guys. And I will see you again soon with another card. Bye now.